Good morning, class 4. We were reading chapter 6 and now in this class we are going to read 6th part of chapter 6 and the name of chapter 6 is Community Eating. In the previous classes we have seen community meals, gurudwaras and temples, hostels, mess, pantry, cars, midday meals in schools, food, region and occasions. So here now in this class we are going to read some points of food, regions and occasions. Students, open page number 31 in your EVS book and keep a pencil with you to underline hard words. Now I am going to read. Number 1. Gujia is a special dish prepared in North India on Holi. So, Holi is a main festival of North India and Gujia is prepared on Holi. Second, Sevai is a special dish prepared by Muslim on Eid. So, Eid is a main festival of Muslims and Muslims prepare Sevai on Eid. Third, Payasam, Kotu and Evoil are special dishes prepared on Onam in Kerala. So, Onam is a main festival of Kerala and people of Kerala prepare Payasam, Kutu and Avial on Onam. Now next, sweet rice cooked in milk is prepared on Pongal in Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. So, Pongal is the main festival of Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh and they prepare sweet rice in milk which is commonly called kheer on Pongal. Next, sweets of til sesame are made on Makar Sankranti in Maharashtra and other parts of India. So, Makar Sankranti is the main festival of Maharashtra and people of Maharashtra prepare sweets of til. Next, a paste of neem leaves mixed with jaggery which is commonly called gur and other things are eaten on Gudi Parv, the Maharashtrian New Year. So, Gudi Parv is a Maharashtrian New Year and the people of Maharashtra prepare a paste of neem leaves which is mixed with jaggery on Gudi Parv. Now the next, special cakes with fresh fruits and dry fruits are prepared by Christians on Christmas. So Christmas is the main festival of Christians and they prepare special cakes with fresh fruit and dry fruit on Christmas. Now Riya wants to know which is the most special festival your family celebrates. Here you have to write. And the question 2, what special dishes are prepared on that day? So you can write the answer of this question here. Now read and reflect. We are going to revise the whole chapter. When a large number of people eat together on specific occasions, it is called community eating. So we have seen that when a large number of people eat together on specific occasions, it is called community eating. We have understood people eat together in a gurudwara, boarding school, mess and many other places. We have understood that Midday meals are served in most government schools in India, and we have learnt people living in different regions eat different kinds of food on special occasions. So students, that's all for today. In the next class we will see exercise time. So thank you class.